Another episode of Mystery Unboxing. Let's see what this is. That's right. It's a laser pen. Let's have a look. It's actually got 4. There we go. Under these decent batteries. Here's the actual laser pen, nice and heavy. Comes with one of these universal adapter things and a charger, all for around $9.99 on eBay. It's supposed to have 5 of these, 1, 2, 3, 4's in there. So one's already in there, look. So it comes with 5 patterns. Just a push button. Obviously the battery's not in there, but it's metal. It feels really nice design. And it's got a focus thing as well, I think. I'm going to put the battery in. Right, so it says it's charged, but when I put it in, it didn't actually light up. So, pretty sure I put it in the right way. So I'll focus there. But yeah, the adapter, it plugs straight into the adapter there. It's weird how it lights up, but it doesn't actually power the actual laser pen. Maybe there's not enough amps in there, I don't know. Right, yeah, so I had the battery in inside out, back to front I mean. So it's counterintuitive how the battery goes in, but yeah, there it is, that's one pattern. So yeah, it all works. Very cool. Oh, it was just going in focus there, look.